Well, that ain't too shabby.
I was way off.
I just kind of laid this up here. It's my existing roof rack I had on here when I originally bought this Jeep. I don't really like it up there because I actually go off-roading with this. And that likes to get all caught up in branches because it's really, there's a lot of trees around here. All the trails are covered in trees and overgrown. So that just gets all caught up. And when I get off the trail, this is all, it'll have branches and leaves and everything stuffed into it. And it just gets annoying. And I just kind of don't care for the look. So I'm thinking is, this is a two-piece. Splits right here in the middle. I think I'm going to take one half and have it sit right in here. Because it'll, coming from this lip, it'll stick out to about here. I should get plenty of space for the dog to sit or lay, whatever he wants to do. And that'll be good. Then I can stack, maybe I'll put like the cooler on here and then everything else up here, because I don't want to put a cooler up here. That's kind of, it's a lot of weight. So I think in here it'll be a lot better, and I have access. So like, I have my passenger just rip open the cooler, grab a drink. It'll be great. So let's get this round, split it, kind of get it in here, mocked up, figure out what I need for material and hardware. I do have some of this stuff left, so I'll probably end up using it. And I'll just have to buy some hardware. So let's do that. So I stripped the roof rack down. Got this half kind of mocked in there, seeing how it would look. Not too bad, actually looks pretty cool. I like it. Got it kind of in position to where I can still open my trunk enough so this is vertically. This can actually go all the way back and make like a table. It's got like cup holders and stuff, but I don't care about that. I just wanted this to be able vertically in case I got to put some stuff in here or whatever. But that's good. Right in that corner. Got plenty of room down here for the dog. Yeah. I'm going to start taking measurements, marking out some holes. I'll just through bolt it right to here, to the sill. Should be plenty strong. Yeah. Should be pretty nice. I slip the cooler right in there, or whatever I want to put there. Should look cool. Coming together. Alright, I changed things up a little. Instead of having it mount to this sill here, I just got it sitting straight on the fender well, which will give more room height-wise. And also, I was going to put pedestal from here down and there down to the floor, but I forgot, wasn't realizing I got this cushion that I want to put in here for the dog, and I can't have a pedestal here because it's going to mess everything up. So I've been thinking I'll probably have to do is bolt it down there. Then at the end, I maybe run a piece of this, kind of run a pedestal, because that cushion runs all the way up to the edge of this sill here on the floor. So maybe I can just run a piece of that square stock from here down to where it meets the sill. Got them painting all that, you know, and plucking away here. I got that one upright in. So kind of got this corner floating. She does flex a little bit. It's actually pretty stiff. Got those through bolts over there, but she does have flex to it. So what I think I'm gonna do is, this is what I got left over. I'm just gonna send one right there, cut one to fit, throw a thread, what do you call those freaking things? Thread certs, nut certs, whatever. throw one into the rack, throw one into the body, cut the height, boom, done. Paint. All right, pretty much get everything done. Get everything a coat of paint, let it bake in the sun, bolted it all in. I do want to come back. I will come back tomorrow, kind of paint all like the hardware and everything and get any holidays that I missed. But yeah, that's pretty much how it is. Nice little rack inside. Nice spot for the dog. Got the rack outside. Pull this down. Have the net on for the dog and just so nothing will fly out. And yeah, looks good.
Just how he talked. I didn't always understand it. I didn't have to.
Were you bullied at school, Dustin?
Everyone gets bullied at some point. It's not why I did it.
Do you know why?
They were happy.